So I wanted to do a really quick video about some records that I got from a local record bookstore in my town. I got 4 records from a local record store, and 3 I got because I really like the album art. So one of them is this one. This one I've never heard of the artist, but like part of this is to like, because I just recently got a record player, which I'll show you. This is actually my dad's record player, and it wasn't being used, so I asked him for it, so now it's mine. Now I'm using it. But yeah, this is the first one that I saw, and I was like, this is so like weird. I love it. So the artist is here. I don't want to murder their name. I think it's Hakushi Hasegawa. And Somoku Hodo. So I love the album art, so I will open that up shortly to play to hear it. Another one that I got was actually from the same artist, and this is the album. This is another one that I didn't know the artist, but the album art just immediately like got me. I love how it looks, and I believe it's the same artist. And I was like, Flying Lotus, like that sounds amazing. So yeah, so this is the other one that I got. I'm also gonna play that to try it out and hear it. The one that I got is by an artist that I do listen to. It is Hiroshi Yoshimura. I've listened to some of his music before, and for me, he's like like an ambient artist. Like that makes like ambient music, like kind of like chill, relaxing music. And this is like, I love the album art as well, but I already like his music, so I figured I might as well grab it. And then this one, I love the album art on this one, but I've never heard of the band before. It says Corridor Mimi, so and it is Loser Edition. So yeah, I thought the album art was cool, so I'm going to give them a listen, and yeah. So this can be like a first impressions video too. Taking it out. There's a cool art piece illustration there. And it says we can download the MP3 version, so that's cool. Ooh, and the record itself is a really cool color. Bluish green color. So I do like this one so far. It's very interesting. I will definitely have to play it through. fully. The next one I'm gonna do is this one. And yeah, we will take off the plastic now. Now, we'll take it out of the sleeve. Okay, so this holds the record, and then this, I think, is just the songs. I think this also includes the lyrics as well. Okay, yeah, awesome. So it's in Japanese on the front, and then it's in English inside. So that's pretty cool. Okay, and then it also comes with the MP3 download, and then this is the record itself. Wow, yeah, it says it's like marble, and it does look like marble actually in person. It probably just looks white, but yeah, it looks marble. So we will put it in to hear it. Next is this one by Hiroshi Yoshimura. Okay, cool. It says it comes with his notes, his original notes in here, and I think that's what this is. Yeah, okay. Oh, that's super cool. It comes with like him writing about the album, so that's cool. It's in Japanese and it's also in English. That's really cool. So I will definitely read that. And then the vinyl, the record is here. I really like the color. The color is really beautiful. It's like a blue, like a deep blue. Yeah, so I'm gonna put it in and give it a listen. Okay, I'm sorry. I took it out of the sleeve and oh my gosh, this is like the prettiest blue. Like, oh my goodness, it's gorgeous. This blue is beautiful. But I'm gonna go ahead and put the record in to listen to it. I said abstract in the beginning, but it looks like he describes himself as a composer of environmental music. So that's good to know. So if I'm being honest, this one is, I think, my favorite purchase from the store that I went to. I was already a fan of his music, so I'm really happy I got this one. And then the last one is this one. I love the cover art. It's so amazing. That's amazing. Okay, so let's open. Pink. Love the pink. So it has the band name on the front. Cool, I love that. It's super cute too. And then, okay, so it's in French. It looks like the lyrics are in French. Cool. And then the vinyl is pink. That is so cute. Oh my god, I love it. I love this color. This is my favorite color of how it looks. Besides the blue one. The blue one was also really, really nice. But yeah, we're going to give this one a listen too. Hopefully it's really good. So, overall my favorites were the blue one. This one was definitely like, I'm definitely gonna hear this one. And then I also loved the one from Corridor. I'm actually leaving that in the record player so I can listen to it while I'm painting. Again, I love this. It's amazing. But yeah, I'm leaving that in, so I'm gonna like listen to it like while I'm gonna paint right after this. So yeah, the other two that I got are definitely like not something that I would listen to like right off the bat, although I listen to almost everything. But I will definitely also play this through, this one and this one. Like I definitely will, you know, play it fully just to have a listen. But yeah, I really like the album art as well on those. So I like all my purchases. I might do this like monthly, like buy like 2 or 3, maybe 4 if I can splurge, records, vinyls, so I can just like review them and stuff. Pretty much love music and art, and you know, I can look for ones that for artists that I listen to, or I can do like what I did today and just be gravitated to the album art and find new bands to listen to, new artists. So yeah, feel free to like the video. I know this was kind of like random, and this is my first time doing this, so feel free to like the video, subscribe if you want to. My channel's kind of like in development, so I just am kind of posting whatever right now. So yep, have a good day. Yes. Bye.